Hello and welcome to Computology Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the books or the study material that are needed for JPSC Mains 2021 exam, and that too specifically for GS paper 4 in English medium. In Hindi medium there are various books available. Students can go through any of the publication which are renowned and they will get good study material over there. But in English medium there is scarcity of the study material specifically for this GS paper 4, and this is very critical paper as it is science and technology based as well as current event based. So here the books will be diverse. Here you have to go through physics books, you have to go through biology books, you have to track down the current affairs also, you have to track down the national policy on science and technology development, etc. So let us see which kind of books you need. So the subject name is General Science, Environment and Ecology and Technology Development. So the name of the paper itself gives an insight to what kind of questions you may face in the mains paper. Here in the mains paper, the questions in this paper are evenly distributed. Like in objective questions also you will find questions from biology, questions from environmental science, questions from agricultural science that is related specifically to Jharkhand and the current events. And here the questions are divided into section wise, and section A, first section will be of 20 questions, that is of 2 marks, that will fetch you 40 marks if you answer all the questions correctly, which is a bit difficult. And thereafter the questions will be of 32 marks each, and there will be 5 sections. So it will be total weightage of 160 marks, and this will make the complete paper of 200 marks. And here the questions will be in the format of this or this. So here you will find 2 questions in every section and you have to just answer 1 question. So it will be a bit easy for the students to choose 1 question in which they are having very good knowledge. But still there is a very hard work to do, because this paper is going to make great difference in the marks of your mains examination, because this is based on science as well as this is current based. So first part will be of physical science. Here you will find the questions like orbit of the earth, microwaves, etc. Such kind of things will be there. And for this matter you need to study physics NCERT class 11th part 1. So the NCERT books of physics for class 11th and 12th both comes into volume 1 or volume 2 or part 1 and part 2, and here you have to focus on just part 1 of class 11th NCERT book. That will be sufficient. And again I would like to mention that while studying these materials you should have with you the previous year question paper as well as the syllabus, because मटेरियल बहुत ज़्यादा है, देयर इज़ वेरी वास्ट मटेरियल, एंड यहाँ पर सिलेबस भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, स्टिल सिलेबस से ज़्यादा इन बुक्स में है। तो आप लोगों के पास अगर सिलेबस नहीं होगा तो आप लोग कवर टू कवर सारी चीज़ें पढ़ना चालू कर देंगे एंड यू विल बी लूजिंग योर टाइम एंड एफर्ट, और धीरे धीरे आदमी में एग्जॉशन भी आता है, आदमी की एनर्जी डाउन होते जाती है, उनका जो पीक रहता है ना, पीक परफॉर्मेंस। आपने क्रिकेटर्स को भी देखा होगा कि क्रिकेटर्स का फॉर्म हमेशा नहीं चलता रहता है, स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो लाइक दैट। उनका भी जो पीक फैक्टर रहता है, जो उनका फॉर्म रहता है, वो हमेशा एक सा नहीं रहता है। किसी दिन आप एक स्टूडेंट को देखेंगे कि उन्होंने 30-40 पेज किसी किताब की खत्म कर दी और नेक्स्ट डे दे आर इवन अनेबल टू फिनिश ऑफ 10 पेजेस। तो ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है, इसीलिए आप लोगों को यहाँ पर सेलेक्टिव रहना है, सिलेबस के हिसाब से चलना है, क्वेश्चन पेपर के हिसाब से चलना है, ताकि आप जो अपना एफर्ट है, अपनी एनर्जी है, अपना टाइम है, वो कहीं वेस्ट ना करें। तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे you have to be with the previous year question as well as the syllabus, and accordingly you have to select the material or select the topics which are provided in these books which I am going to mention, and thereafter you will have to study about the life sciences. That is part of biology in this paper. And here biology NCERT class 11th and 12th both. And this book doesn't comes into volume, that is part 1 or part 2. Single book for class 11, single book for class 12th. But here you don't have to read all the chapters. Again, you have to read here about the human body, anatomy, inheritance, etc. Thereafter the plant like things that is of related to environmental science. So here in the biology book you will find some material for the environmental science also, but this part of the syllabus cannot be completed with the biology book or NCERT itself. You have to supplement your material here with environmental geography book that is written by Savinder Singh. And here this is a very bulky book. Basically this book is used by the geography optional students in UPSC exam. So you don't have to go through cover to cover. Here you just need to pick the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus, like the biomes, types of forestry, agroforestry, or these kind of things, biodiversity, hotspots, etc., which are provided in this book. Just go through those topics which are mentioned in your syllabus and not from cover to cover. Thereafter there is agricultural science, and this is a very critical topic, because in the agricultural science syllabus of JPSC mains exam, the questions or the topics are specifically mentioned for Jharkhand region. Here all the questions will be related to agricultural condition, climatic condition, agroclimatic regions, types of crops grown, etc. from Jharkhand perspective. And here you will face the major challenge, and you have to go through internet, because the agricultural sciences books related to Jharkhand specifically, which are available in market, they are basically used by the Birsa Munda Agricultural University, and those books are very bulky. So here if you pick those books, they will be very heavy to finish off. They will be very tough to finish off, or to even choose out the topics which you have to read. So here the Computology IAS material will be very helpful for you, and here current affairs related issues that are specifically mentioned for Jharkhand agricultural condition, whatever the droughts are happening, what was the amount of crop grown, production, etc. All those kind of things that is related to Jharkhand agricultural condition, that will be in the paper. So go through the internet, go through the Computology IAS material, and thereafter come to science and technology. So here science and technology development, here again it is completely current based topic, but here some of the topics which are not current based, that can be finished off from science and technology book, that is written by Ravi P. Agrahari, and this book is published by Tata McGraw-Hill. Here you will find those topics which are mentioned in your syllabus, such as national technology policy, etc. Like here you will find some of the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus, like national policy on science and technology, that will be in this book. Thereafter, energy demand of the country, conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. So these static topics can be finished off from this book, and you have to be selective. Again, this book is bulky. There are wide gamut of information, and thereafter in this book you will find the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus, like space, technology, etc. All those things which are static, that can be finished off from this book, and thereafter the material should be supplemented from the current affairs book. And thereafter, if you don't want to do all those kind of hard work, just join our courses and get the Computology IAS notes, and your effort will be minimized. Here in the Computology IAS course, you can join it in the online mode also, you can join it in the offline mode also. Both the courses are in English medium only, and the courses are going to start on 7th of October. The seats are getting filled very fast. Very few seats are left out, and here we will provide you the sectional test series as well as full length test series, personal mentoring. We will guide you personally where you are lacking in your answer writing, where you are lacking in your content, etc. And you will be in a good position to score good marks when you will appear in the mains exam. So here, for registering yourself, you can call us also. You can register yourself online on our website also, or you can come down to our office, or other informations, do follow us on our social media channels. This is the website address from where you can register for the courses. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you very much and have a nice day.